guapa.
Hola, mi amiga. We are here.
We are at it again.
My beautiful friend Ellie. That's Ellie Well on Instagram.
Cheers.
We are here with our Latin vibes.
Caliente.
Caliente. I have a perfect recipe for you today for your RAWgust week 2 lunch. We are going to be making tostadas with a mango chipotle sauce.
Yum.
And I got these ingredients, everything today from Whole Foods. The plug.
Plug it up.
So some of the ingredients we have are some dried tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, a portobello mushroom, walnuts that have already been soaking in amino liquids, and apple cider vinegar and water.
Okay.
We also have our seasonings, taco seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and also some cumin.
Come on. You get it? I'm so ready. I'm so hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Let's do it. It's lunchtime.
All right, so we're going to start with our sauce and cutting up our pepper.
Would you like me to chop?
Ooh.
No, it's your turn. It's on your side.
Okay,
I'll chop. Portia's apron. Not mine.
So we're just going to chop this up into little pieces. Add that into our Vitamix. We are going to also cut our mango. If you haven't seen the proper way of cutting a mango, you're just going to cut on both sides of the seed. Get it in there. Come on. Don't you do me like this.
Are you about to teach them the technique?
Yeah. So you're going to cut both sides of the mango. This is one
you're going to want to keep with you for life.
So that your seed is in the middle. And then you are just going to put some slices into this just to get it loosened a little bit. And guess what you're going to do next?
Tell me about it.
You're just going to slide this on the side of your blender.
I can't believe I never thought of this. It's just so smart.
It takes everything.
So we got the tic-tac-toe strategy.
3 in a row. And then I'm going to have my girl
and then you
slide
take it over here and get your mango.
Yep.
Oh, the juice. Like this is just bringing me.
Oh, yeah.
That was so fun.
We are going to add our seasonings, which is some garlic powder, onion powder, and some cumin. We can add salt too for your taste. We never opened this. I thought you had my back. So there we go. Are you ready for? You already know what it is. Yes! And taste?
Thanks, babe.
Is it yummy?
It's not even right.
That sauce is bomb.
Wow. You need to pour this over my entire life. You did it again.
We keep doing it. I don't know. I don't understand. This keeps happening. So I'm going to now pour our sauce into a cup because we'll be needing our Vitamix again. Oh my god.
Wow.
Look how good it is.
This color. You guys ever just stare at the inside of a red bell pepper? So magical in there.
We're about to make our walnut meat. That's going to go on our tostada. First, we will chop the portobello mushroom. Cut this up into little pieces to make it easier to blend.
Okay, so just like in quarters or like, what do you call this?
So dicing? I'm about to dice this.
I was going to guess good.
You know, like a meaty texture.
I have so much room in my heart for you.
Oh, babe. Why do you want to do me like that on camera? And we're going to add all of our ingredients into the blender. Waste not, want not.
Nailed it. That was a 98% rate.
Sun-dried tomatoes.
I'm feeling like the liquid below. I'm like, can you remind me what was happening?
So this is actually liquid aminos, apple cider vinegar, and also water.
Okay.
So that's going to help our walnuts to just expand and also be able to take in the flavors that we want. We got a little blender shake.
Shake, baby, shake, shake, baby, shake.
So after I pulse a couple of times, I'm going to go back in and just stir it up a little bit.
Pulse, pulse, stir.
Stir
it up.
Yeah, darling, stir Oh my god, this is looking so groundy, like ground
beef.
meat.
Yeah. Pulse. Stir. Pulse. And it smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, you guys! Pulse. Pulse.
Stir. And we're gonna just pour this back into the bowl and then add our seasonings to it.
Still working on that wife material.
You know?
Just practicing every chance I can get.
I am so proud of you for completing week 1. We are now in week 2. We have gone to another country, a Latin country.
Stamp that passport.
This is what your meat should look like. Hope that you can see that. Okay.
I always feel so good in August when I do your RAWgust.
Right? You already know what's coming. Start getting your mind together.
Yeah, like your
literally.
body's like excited to just get the royal treatment.
It's so ready.
Yeah.
So I am now going to put the taco seasoning in there to make this even more taco-like. Then we're going to just stir this up. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my regular cherry tomatoes into the blender. That has the sauce already on it. It's okay. So we're just going to pulse this. So now we're going to add our cherry tomatoes in there. You're not about to miss me at all this RAWgust. It gets better and better and better every year. So now we're just going to mix that into our taco meat.
Muy bien, amiga.
So we have now cilantro, cucumbers, and tomatoes. And we're going to go ahead and dice that.
Okay.
You know, some of the benefits of going raw, one of my favorite ones is radiant glowing skin.
Need.
Hello, my digestive system to improve.
Need.
Reducing disease.
Definitely need.
Okay? So that's just how we do it.
This is how we do.
This is how we...
with Portia because we do it like that. Hey. Oh!
And we're going to get our jicama out and decorate our tostadas.
You know we're too close to the border to mess this up.
So we're about to make our tostadas.
This is a big moment.
Jicama tortillas.
Gorge.
We're going to add our taco meat onto our jicama tortillas. We're going to add our
Ooh, yes.
tomato.
Get that fresh tomato in there.
Our cucumbers. You can add whatever you like to add, honestly. Portia's
your
Apron just
cucumber.
provides you the recipes, but you're more than welcome to put whatever you want on your tortillas. What is this?
Jicama. Tortilla.
It's a tostada. And then we're going to just, you know,
keep it raw.
put some cilantro on the top of that. Like so. We're going to get our mango chipotle sauce.
Oh, this is the glory. I want you to try this.
Right now.
Right now. Oh, that color, it's a scene.
Si tú quieres que te coma toda. Si tú quieres que te coma toda. Si tú quieres que te coma toda.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Are you ready?
Girl, I've been waiting.
We have created a tostada with walnut meat and a mango chipotle sauce. Fully raw, fully vegan, fully RAWgust. RAWgust approved.
Portia's Apron approved.
Let's go.
Cheers, Mama.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. That's not right. It's insane.
I am
Like, you just outdid yourself.
I'm gonna make that thing bounce. I'm gonna make that thing shake. The game.
Again.
The game is just like done. And there we have it, guys.
It's only week 2. If you
Week
know what's
2.
good for you.
Just feed us and call us pretty.
Oh my god. It's serious. So good.
It's so dumb. I'm gonna make some more.
Honestly, this is ridiculous.